Today we will discuss how merchant navy has changed in the last 50 years. So first would be safety of navigation. It has improved. For example, there was no GPS till late 80s. So we could get position only two times. Morning twilight, evening twilight by taking two stars. But now we have GPS since late 80s. We get the position every 1 second. So safety of navigation improved. Second thing, crew comfort. Earlier in the 70s and early 80s, ships did not have air conditioning. Some of the ships did not have, but now they have this. So crew comfort improved. Again, MLC regulations. Earlier there was no MLC, so some of the crew cabins were sharing. Two persons in one cabin. Now, as per MLC regulations, all the new buildings have to be only one person. So crew comfort improved. Safety of navigation improved. So these are some of the changes. Now we will do one more topic, and that is steering gear regulations. So steering gear regulations. As per this, your rudder should be able to move from 35 degrees on one side to 30 degrees on another side in maximum 28 seconds. So this is the SOLAS regulation. It is not hard over to hard over. It is hard over to 30 degrees. From hard over to one side to 30 degrees on another side when the vessel is at full speed. Now it does not talk about how many motors should be put on. So normally with one steering motor, you should be able to achieve this target. So then you can keep one steering motor on whenever you use hand steering or autopilot. Most ships have two steering motors. So if one steering motor does not comply with this, it is taking more than 28 seconds. And if you use two steering motors, it is taking less than 28 seconds. So again, you are complying with SOLAS. But in this case, you have to keep all the time two steering motors on whenever you use hand steering or auto. On some ships, very few ships, you will find two steering motors, but you cannot put them on together. As soon as you put on one steering motor, the second one becomes off automatically. So this is the arrangement that only one steering motor can be used at one time. But this one steering motor will satisfy SOLAS regulation 35 degrees to 30 degrees in less than 28 seconds.